Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Fudget, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Fudget app on your device. Tap the Get Started button on the main screen. You will see an empty budget list. To add a new budget item, select the plus icon. In the pop-up, enter a name for your budget item. Next, input the amount you wish to budget. Choose whether this is an income or an expense. For expenses, you can categorize them for better organization. Once you've entered all details, tap Add. Your new item will now appear in your budget list. To edit or delete an item, simply tap on it. Make the necessary changes or hit the Delete button. To track your spending, navigate to the budget item you created. As you make expenses, record them by tapping the item. Enter the amount spent and confirm your entry. Your remaining budget will automatically update. To view a summary, go to the main dashboard. Here, you will see your total income, expenses, and balance. Consider reviewing your budget weekly to stay on track. This helps you adjust future budgets based on what you learn. Explore the settings for additional customization options. Fudget also allows you to create multiple budgets if needed. Simply tap the menu icon and select New Budget. Enter a name and start budgeting for that category. Utilize the export feature to share your budget if desired. You can export to email or save it as a file. Regularly update the app to access the latest features and improvements. Stay consistent with your budgeting efforts for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.